Hello, and welcome to the Vlogging Pod. I'd like to take a moment and talk about a troubling development. Something that happened, I think 5 months now, with the North Carolina's judicial election, which raises significant concern about voter disenfranchisement and the integrity of our electoral process. In the 2024 North Carolina Supreme Court race, Democratic incumbent Justice Allison Riggs narrowly defeated Republican Judge Jefferson Griffin by a mere 734 votes. Such a slim margin underscores the vitality of every single vote in our democratic system. However, instead of conceding, Judge Griffin has embarked on a legal crusade to challenge over 60,000 ballots, including approximately 5,500 military and overseas votes. Now let's pause and consider the gravity of this action. These ballots represent the voices of our service members stationed abroad and citizens living overseas, individuals who rely on absentee voting to participate in the democracy they defend and support. By seeking to invalidate these votes, Judge Griffin is not only undermining the fundamental right to vote, but also targeting a group that has historically been protected under laws designed to facilitate their electoral participation. The irony here is palpable. Reports have surfaced indicating that Judge Griffin himself utilized military absentee ballots in previous elections during his service with the Army National Guard. Now he claims to discard similar ballots, a move that reeks of hypocrisy and raises questions about the motivations behind his current legal challenges. The strategy of contesting election results by challenging specific groups of ballots is not unprecedented. It mirrors tactics employed in recent presidential elections, where the incumbent refused to accept defeat and sought to overturn the results through baseless claims and legal maneuvering. Such actions set a dangerous precedent, eroding public trust in our electoral institutions and threatening the very foundation of our democracy. Moreover, Judge Griffin's selective targeting of ballots from predominantly Democratic counties further taints his challenge with partisan bias. This approach not only disenfranchises lawful voters, but also undermines the principle of fair and impartial elections. The broader implications of this case cannot be overstated. If successful, this challenge could disenfranchise tens of thousands of voters, including those who serve our country. It's a stark reminder about how fragile our democratic system is, and the lengths in which someone will go to grasp power, even at the expense of the very principles they claim to uphold. As citizens, it's imperative that we remain vigilant and informed. We must hold our public officials accountable and ensure that every vote is counted, regardless of the outcome it produces. The integrity of our democracy depends on it. The sources from tonight's podcast come from AP News, ProPublica, Democrats, NC, Newsline, the Assembly NC, BPR, Times NG, WNC, WRAL, LMTON Line, ABC 11. Thank you for listening. Until next time, bye bye for now.